this quick tip, we're going to talk about new functionality in Illustrator version 28 or version 2024, whatever you may want to call it. Also, there's new functionality in the Illustrator public beta version, which has just been published. So let's take a look at this file. And I have a couple of objects, and if I want to select all the squares, or the same goes for rectangles, then this is easy. I can select one square and then go to select same shape, and Illustrator will select all the squares. And the same goes for same appearances, and it will also work for the circles or ellipses. It will not work for the stars. And the stars do not work because they are not live shapes. Also, I cannot edit them using Global Edit because they are all different stars. So what happens if I have to select all of them every now and then in the file and then reselect them for doing edits with them, maybe change the color or whatever. So what I then can do is go to select and save the selection. I'm going to call this stars. And then I can do whatever I want with the other shapes and then return to the stars, select stars, and there they are. This selection does not survive if I move the objects now. But I can, of course, change the color. And now go to select stars, and there they are again. Now, when I create some more stars, like so, and I want them in that selection, that was quite difficult before. So because you had to save the new selection and then delete the old one, and that was a little tedious. So what you can do now is go to select and then add these to the selection. And then you can go to select and update the selection. So let's select something in here and do something like so. And then go to select stars. And now the others are included in the selection. Let's take a look at the public beta, which is here. And in here, this is even included in the layers panel. And when you open the public beta for the first time, you will see a blue tip panel that points to this icon. So in here, what you can do is select some of these things, and with these icons you can save the selection like so. And this is the same as saving it in here, so the rectangles are there as well. And the functionality is advertised as being able to group things from different layers, which is not possible in Illustrator. If you do that, then it will be put onto the same layer. So this is an alternative if you need things from different layers and need them combined to do something with it. So then you can use this function. In the beta, when you have a saved selection, so let's just select this and then move that, do something else, and then select it again. This also works. So it doesn't work in the released version, but it works in the beta that you move the selection around. Another new thing in the beta is in the dimension tool, and you see there's a blue dot as well. So let's double click it, and you see we've got some line types and some more line types here, and we have the positioning of the text. So you can select with these icons where you want the text to go. And those buttons can be inactive, because when you select one of the other types of dimensions and then you go in here, then you see some of them are disabled because it's not possible to place them there when using this kind of dimension. So whenever you see that, then it's because you selected another type of dimensioning. I hope you have fun with these new features and they are useful for you.